All right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here, Natural Transplants in the DC office, and I am so excited. I got Ryan back with me. Ryan, good to see you, man. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Doing all right, good, good. So last time we saw each other was a little over a year ago. You look quite a bit different now, but tell us how the year went. Tell us how the results are. Sort of tell us about your experience.
Yeah, so I'm just a little bit over a year post-op and really liking the results. Definitely started noticing the full effect close to a year.
Okay.
Um, Definitely had moments of shedding and
Yeah.
growth. And so yeah, I would say between 10 to 12 months you can really see the final
Okay. Yeah.
result.
It can be a little bit of a roller coaster ride that year. There are going to be some months that you may even regret that you had done it or think you regret it. Some months you get a little nervous, a little frustrated, but man, what a difference. What a difference. Looks great.
Yeah,
Yeah, I love
definitely.
it. I love it. Love it. Well, thanks. This has been awesome. I appreciate you sort of sharing your story with everybody.
Yeah, I'd say definitely go for it if you're thinking about it.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.